Senator Marcoleta, pinoprotektahan nga ba ang mga diskaya? Nagkainitan kasi sa patuloy na flood control hearing. Kwine-question ni Senator Marcoleta na bakit hindi daw mga diskaya ang ipasok sa Witness Protection Program. Bakit nga ba hindi? Pag pinasok kasi ang mag-asawang diskaya sa Witness Protection Program, halos 200 billion pesos ang hindi na maibabalik. Oo, hindi na obligado ang mga diskayang ibalik ang perang mga ninakaw nila. Kaya tinanong ni Senator Ping Lacson si Marcoleta, bakit mo prenoprotektahan ang mga diskaya? At against ka kay Engineer Bryce Hernandez at ayaw mong pagsalitain si D.E. Alcantara. Dahil ba idinawit o sangkot ang dalawa mong kaalyado, Marcoleta, sa Senator Joel Villanueva at Senator Jinggoy Estrada? Kamuntikan ang mag-walkout si Senator Marcoleta dahil kay Senator Ping Lacson.
Hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these are prejudicial questions.
Okay,
Mr.
go ahead,
Chair.
go ahead.
Foremost to my mind, Mr. Chair, is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Ms. Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No, that's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion. That
I am
is my
not questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's
chairman
not
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo
You're
an
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still in the
Hearing is suspended.
investigating. Mr. Chair, nag-iimbestiga muna tayo right? The point is, an investigator can... Do not judge.
We are not judging. That's
No,
not
ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I am raising prejudicial questions.
Or you're
I
creating
am,
trouble
sinasabi ko,
to prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayong magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Bryce over to this guy?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your prediction?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kaysa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of
judge.
the Diskayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating record ito? Palagi niyo sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of Witness Protection Program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Thanks, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.